Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing. 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 Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy.